Today we are going to unbox a neckband with 120-hour backup. This is the one and only neckband I can find on Amazon, or one and only neckband you can ever find on online, which has 120-hour backup. So basically we're going to unbox it and see how's the quality and what we get inside. Let's just quickly unwrap this packet. So I just got this box and it says 120 hours. This is a highlight. And recently I have bought another two neckbands, which is I've also done an unboxing of those. Like, one is Probuds from Lava. So if you guys want, you can also check the videos in my channel. Another one is Amazon Basic, Amazon Basic neckband. Basically I use it, the neckbands are needed for me, and I really like those neckbands over the buds, because if you get a good quality of buds, you need to really have to spend around 3,000 rupees, but in 1,000 rupees budget you can get a good neckband, and this one cost only 750 rupees, 780 rupees, I'm sorry. So let's just open the box and see what's inside. So what I can see from here, there is another box inside. Wow, the packaging is not bad. Now this box, just let me turn this side, and there's another seal. Too many seals. The Costar packaging is unique. Basically all the other neckbands comes with the with a plastic case, but there's no case in it. Honestly, you have one cable and no extra butt tips I can see. So it's also sealed like that. Okay, so the neckband itself, you can see the build quality, if I see, is good, not bad. And there's 4 buttons. So if we can see that, the power button, and one is the plus, minus, and one to receive the call. Alright, so it comes with a dedicated power button. In most of the other headphone neckbands, this works as a power button. Sorry about the noise, that was Rex. Anyway, so yeah, so build quality, if you can say, is good, not bad. The rubber feels really good. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll share the video, like the video, and your support is needed. So whatever product I buy, I'll do an honest unboxing and review. So stay tuned. Thank you, guys. Take care.